friends, happy whatever day it is you are watching this video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Bekah. I'm a mom to 5 kiddos, and today I'm trying out a mattress cleaner, and you guys are going to be so impressed. We've had this mattress for over 10 years, and I've vacuumed my mattress before, but I've never done like an actual mattress cleaner, so I was very impressed. This was disgusting, but actually eye-opening, and I think if you're not cleaning your mattress, you're going to want to get one of these to clean your mattress. So I will leave it in the description, a link, and check them out if you're interested. Let's get into this video. I'm excited to try this.
Yay! I was trying not. Yay!
Beepo, vacuum. Yeah. Alright, I'm almost at it. Yeah. Something that I think is cool about this is it has a UV sanitation lamp, and then it also has a dust detection light, so it tells you when it's picking up dust. And as you can see, there is plenty of dust for it to be picking up. It has a HEPA filter in it, which is awesome. It also has a stainless steel filter.
Changed the sheets, thought the bed was clean. Then I took a closer look at what I couldn't see. Dust in the mattress hiding down below. Grab the mattress cleaner, watch that dirt go. Back and forth, nice and slow. Pulling up the stuff I didn't even know. Every little pass, look what comes out. Now I know what clean is all about. Get that dust out, dust out, dust out. Deep in the mattress, we're pulling it out. Fresh little reset, clean wear. Cleaning the surface and cleaning it deep. Vacuum it up, watch the dust disappear. Fresh clean mattress, that's what I want here. Sheets going back when the cleaning is through. Nothing like a bed that feels fresh and new. Under the blankets, under the sheets, there's more to a clean bed than what you can see. One more pass, then one more time. Look at that.
You see all the dust? Alright, we're gonna do my husband's side. So,
Get that dust out, dust out, dust out. Look at all the stuff that cleaner pulled out. Fresh sheets coming, pillows on top. Once I start cleaning, you know I can't stop.
All right, my friends, so wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you stay so motivated, so encouraged, and I hope that this makes you want to get one of these mattress cleaners yourselves if you need one, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you have a beautiful day wherever you are. Bye for now.